Hello everyone. I hope you all are keeping good health. Today we will deal with addition or subtraction of a like fraction in exercise 7.6. Your question number 1 is solve. Sums are 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7. They both are unlike fraction as the denominators are not same. Here we are supposed to find the LCM. As the denominators are co-prime number, that is, they don't have any factor common except 1, so the LCM will be product of the numbers given to you. Then we will simply multiply the LCM to both the fraction in the numerator and the denominator. Perform the cancellation. 3 ones are 3 sevens are 7 ones are 7 threes are. Multiply. In the first fraction you are getting 2 and 7 in the numerator, so it's 2 into 7, 14 upon 21. In the second one it's 1 and 3, so 1 into 3, 3 upon 21. Adding the two as they are like now, we will get 17 upon 21. As they don't have any common factor, we can leave it here. Moving to the next one, it's 3 by 10 plus 7 upon 15. Here, we are supposed to find the LCM. Numbers are 10, 15. The very first prime number I will use here is 2. So, only the first number is a multiple of 2. It is a fifth multiple. Next will come as it is. Now, I am using 5, the prime number. Yes, you will get 5 ones and it's 3s as only 3 is left, so we can write here 3 1 1. Yes, now the LCM is 30. When you will multiply the numbers you are getting on the left hand side, you will get the LCM. Again, multiplying both the fraction by the LCM. Perform the cancellation. 10 ones are 3s are. For performing calculation, we will use the old denominator. Now, in the first fraction, it's 3 3s are 9 upon 30. In the second one, it's 7 4s are 14 upon 30. Adding again the two as they are like now. 23 upon 30. No common factor. Again, we will move to the next sum. Fractions are alike, denominators are co-prime numbers. So the LCM will be the product of the number, that is 63. Multiplying both the fractions by the LCM in the numerator as well as in the denominator part. Perform cancellation. 9 ones are 7s are. 7 ones are 7 9s are. Once you will multiply the numerator part, you will get 4 7s are 28 upon 63, 2 9s are 18 upon 63. Both are like now. Add the numerator part. It's 46 upon 63. Next, again, they are alike fractions and the numbers in the denominator are co-prime. So the LCM is 21. Multiplying both the fraction by the LCM, perform cancellation. 7 ones are 7 threes are. 3 ones are 3 sevens are. Multiply the numerator part, you will get 15 upon 21 and 7 upon 21. Add the two. Yes. Here we are getting 22 upon 21. As it is an improper fraction, we can reduce it to a mixed fraction, or you can leave it also. Again, denominators are co-prime numbers. LCM will be the product. Multiply the LCM to both the fraction. Perform cancellation. I hope the cancellation is clear. The first one we are using table of 5. In the second one we are using table of 6. Multiply the numerator in the first fraction. 2 6 are 12 upon 30. In the next one it's 5 upon 30. Add the 2. 17 upon 30 is your final answer. Again, the denominators are co-prime number. So yes, we will find the product to find the value of LCM. Multiply both the fraction by the LCM. Perform cancellation. Multiply the numerator part. Now as they are like, we can add them. So 22 upon 15 is your final answer. Yes, we can change it into a mixed fraction. Next. Again, the denominators are a set of co-prime number, so the LCM will be the product. Multiply both the fraction by the LCM. See, the concept will remain the same. In all the sum, we are finding the LCM, we are multiplying the fractions by the LCM, and then we are performing the cancellation. Multiply the numerator, you will get the like fraction, perform the calculation then. Okay, 4 ones are 3s are, 3 ones are 3 4s are. Now it's 3 3s are 9 upon 12, 1 4s are 4 upon 12. Subtract the 2, 5 upon 12. Next is 5 upon 6 minus 1 upon 3. Here, the numbers in the denominators are not co-prime, but 6 is a multiple of 3, so LCM is 6. Again, multiplying both the fractions by 6. Perform cancellation. Multiply the numerator part. The denominator part always give you the LCM, as we are cancelling the old denominator. So we will get here 3 upon 6. Yes, here 3 and 6 have common factor, 3. We can cancel it by using the table of 3. And yes, you will get the answer as 1 upon 2. Next, here, in case of a mixed fraction, the method I will use is I will split the fraction in case of addition. In case of subtraction, I will open it and I will change it to the improper fraction. But here in case of addition, I will split it. I will add the whole part first and the fraction part separately. Here the whole are 1 and 3 and the fractions are 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. Yes, solving both the bracket one by one, we will get 4 in the first one. In the second one, as the fractions are like, add the fractions. You will get 3 upon 3. What do you mean by 3 upon 3? Yes, we can use table of 3. We can cancel it. Same number in the numerator and the denominator. Yes, it will reduce to 1. Add the 2. We will get the final answer as 5. Moving to question number 2. Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter of ribbon and Lalita 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. What is the total length of the ribbon they bought? So, as per the first value is 2 by 5, this is a value of length of ribbon Sarita bought. Then the next value is length of ribbon Lalita bought. Here we are supposed to find the total length. So we will just add them. Total means add. Again, see, instead of giving you the direct sum, it's in the word form. But we have to do the same thing what we were doing in question number 1. Yes, we will find the LCM. As the denominators are co-prime, multiply them to get the LCM. Then multiply both the fraction by the LCM. Perform cancellation. Yes, multiply the two. 2 4s are 8 upon 20. 3 5s are 15 upon 20. Now when you will add them, you will get 23 upon 20. So yes, what will be your final line? We were supposed to find total length of the ribbon they bought together. So they bought 23 upon 20 meter of ribbon. We are supposed to mention the unit in the answer statement. Moving to question number 3. Naina was given 1 by 2 piece of cake and Nazma was given 1 by 3 piece of cake. Find the total amount of cake given to both of them. Again, the first value is amount of cake with Naina. And the second value is amount of cake with Nazma. We are supposed to find total amount. Now what do you mean by this total amount? We have to add them. Again, splitting the whole and the fraction part. Solving both the bracket one by one. But the second bracket has unlike fractions, so the LCM will be 6 here. 2 will be the answer of the first bracket. In the second bracket, we will multiply both the fractions by the LCM. Solve the bracket. First perform the cancellation. Multiply the numerator part. 1 3s are, it's 3 upon 6 and then 2 upon 6. Adding both the fractions now, you will get 2 plus 5 upon 6. Now as you are left with a whole number and the fraction, you can combine them to get the mixed fraction. So the total cake is 2, 5 upon 6. Instead of this, you can open the mixed fraction given to you in the question. You can convert them into an improper fraction and you can solve the sum. The answer will remain the same. Question number 4, fill in the boxes. Here, both the fractions on the left hand side and right hand side have different denominator. So we will shift this fraction to the other side so that we can perform the calculation and find out the value of the box. Or instead of shifting, what we can do is we can find the LCM and we can make the change here also, and then we can assume what will be the answer in the box. I am shifting here. So you will get the value of box when you will add the two fractions. Here the LCM is 8 as 8 is a multiple of 4. Multiplying both the fraction by LCM. Perform cancellation. Yes. Here you will get the answer as 7 upon 8. So here we can write the answer as this. The next one is, in the box, we have to find the value. Again, what I am doing is I am shifting the fraction from the left to right. Again, the same thing you can do is you can find the LCM without any shifting. You can make the change at their place only and then you can decide what value will come in the box. But I am shifting here. Again, by adding the two fractions, you will get the value of the box. LCM is 10 as the denominators are co-prime. Perform the cancellation. Yes, we will get the value as 7 upon 10. Next. Again, you can see here the box is having a negative sign, so I will shift it to the right hand side to make it positive, and the part which is on the right hand side we will shift it to the left hand side. Finally, we will interchange the place and you will get the value of box as subtracting 1 by 6 from 1 by 2. Instead of shifting, without shifting also we can find the value of box. Just find the LCM, multiply both the fractions and then just get the value what should be there in the box. I am shifting. Perform the cancellation. You will get the value as 3 upon 6 minus 1 upon 6. Finally, it's 2 upon 6. Perform the cancellation as both are having a common factor 2. So you can write the final answer as 1 upon 3. Moving to question number 6. A piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long broke into 2 pieces. One piece was 1 by 4 meter long. How long is the other piece? Out of the total, the length of one piece is known to you. How will you find the second? By subtracting. So total is given to you. Then length of one piece is given to you. From the total, you will deduct the value of the one piece to get the value of the other piece. Again, 8 is a multiple of 4, so the LCM is 8. Multiplying 8 to both the parts. Perform the cancellation. And yes, you will get the value as 5 upon 8. So, length of the other piece is 5 upon 8 meter. Nandini's house is 9 by 10 kilometer from school. She walked some distance and then took a bus for half kilometer to reach the school. How far did she walk? So here total distance is 9 by 10 kilometer. And she covered half kilometer by bus. Now we have to guess how much she covered on foot. So we will subtract 1 by 2 from 9 by 10. Again 10 is a multiple of 2, so the LCM is 10. Multiply both the fraction, perform the cancellation. Multiply the numerator 9 minus 5 upon 10. Solve it, you will get 4 by 10. As they have common factor 2, we can cancel them. You will get the value of 2 by 5. How will you cancel? Yes, 2 2s are 2 5s are. Finally, we can write it as 2 by 5. Next. Asha's shelf is 5 by 6 full and Samuel's shelf is 2 by 5 full. Here, it's given in the first line, which is not there in the slide. Asha's and Samuel have bookshelves of the same size. Yes, so the shelf are of same size. Here it's given Asha's shelf is 5 by 6 full and Samuel's shelf is 2 by 5 full. We have to find out whose bookshelf is more full. It means we have to compare. Again, the fractions are not like, so first you will find the LCM. As the denominators are co-prime, the LCM will be the product. Multiply both the fractions by the LCM. Perform the cancellation. Yes, 25 by 30 in the first fraction. Then 2 by 5 will change to 5 ones are, 5 6 are, it's 12 by 30. Now we can easily compare as the fractions are like. We can say here that Asha's books shelf is more full. The next part of the question is by what fraction? It means you have to find the difference too. We are already having the like fractions. We will use them directly. Subtract the 2, you will get the value as 13 upon 30. Finally, we can write by 13 upon 30. Next, Jaydev takes 1/5 minutes to walk across the school ground. Rahul takes 7/4 minutes to do the same. Who takes less time and by what fraction? Again, we have to compare and you have to find the difference. So, first time taken by Jaydev, then we will convert it into the improper fraction. 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11/5. Next is time taken by Rahul. It's already an improper fraction. First you will compare them and then you will find the difference. LCM will be 20 as the denominators are a set of co-prime number. First multiply the first fraction by 20, perform the cancellation. 11 fours are, it's 44 upon 20. Then use second fraction, multiply by 20, perform the cancellation. 4 ones are, 4 fives are, 35 upon 20. Now who takes less time? Rahul takes less time. And by what? So we will find the difference. You will write it like this. Subtract the two. Answer is 9 upon 20. Here we are supposed to measure minutes as the unit is given to you. I hope the full exercise is clear to you. Thank you everyone for watching the video. God bless you all.